Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification tone on the Redmi 14R. To change the notification sound, go to settings, then go to sound and vibration, then you can choose calendar sound for calendar alerts or other notifications and reminders for other notifications. So I'm gonna change this second option, and it gets you to the themes app, and you can either find here a theme to download or choose local ringtone to choose something from your music library, or go to pre-installed ringtones, and here you can choose one from Redmi. And to hear a preview, click on the name of it, and when you choose the one you're happy with, click on apply next to it, then OK. And when it says applied successfully and this icon shows here, that means that the tone was set. As you can see, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.